In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw your signature on Docusign. Whether you're setting up Docusign for the first time or just updating your signature, we've got you covered. Our goal is to make this a quick and painless process, so let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website, open your preferred web browser, and type in the Docusign URL, or simply search for Docusign in your search engine and click on the official site link. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, look for the login option. It should be prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on that to begin your login process. You'll then be prompted to enter your credentials. If you haven't set up a Docusign account yet, don't worry, a quick sign up takes only a few moments. After you've logged in, you'll be directed straight to the Docusign home. Now this is your command center for managing documents and signatures. From here you'll want to locate your profile. Move your cursor to the top right where you'll see your name or profile icon. Click on that and you should see a drop down menu. In this menu, select Profile. This is where you can personalize your Docusign experience by adjusting settings and preferences. Within the profile section, the next step is to find the Manage Profile option. Clicking on this will take you to another page where you can customize various aspects of your account. Look for an option that says Signatures. Click on it and now we're getting closer to our goal. Once you've navigated to the Signatures page, you should see an ADD Signature button. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with several options for creating your signature, draw, type, or upload. For today's lesson, we'll focus on drawing your signature. Select the Draw option. This will open up a canvas on which you can directly draw your signature using your mouse, touchpad, or any stylus you might prefer. It's a simple process. Just move your cursor or finger like you would with a pen on paper. Take your time here, it's worth getting it just right. Once you're satisfied with your drawn signature, double check to make sure it looks just the way you want it to appear on all your official documents. After finalizing, save your newly created signature, and just like that, you've successfully added your signature to Docusign. And there you have it. You've learned how to draw your signature on Docusign in just a few easy steps. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, practicing these steps a couple more times helps to reinforce what you've learned. See you next time, and happy signing.